Hey everyone, the Aoostar Nex395 arrives as one of the most ambitious mini PCs of its generation, a compact machine built around AMD's high-end Strix Halo platform and designed unapologetically for power users. First teased in July 2025 and later confirmed to be undergoing design revisions, the Nex395 is now officially available in China. What Aoostar has delivered is a device that doesn't just aim to compete with other mini PCs, it tries to push the entire segment into a new performance class. At the heart of the Nex395 is AMD's Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 processor, paired with the Radeon 8060S integrated GPU. This combination sets a new standard for integrated graphics performance, with the 8060S reaching levels comparable to NVIDIA's Mobile R TX 4070 in several of our tested workloads. One of the most defining characteristics of this mini PC is its memory configuration. Aoostar equips the Nex395 with an enormous 128 gigs of LPDDR5X. This isn't just for bragging rights. High bandwidth memory has a direct impact on the performance of integrated GPUs and AI workloads, and this setup allows the Nex395 to handle large AI models locally with surprising ease. Storage expands further on the theme of overkill in a box. The Nex395 includes 3 M.2 slots that can accommodate PCIe 4.0 SSDs, allowing users to create multi-drive arrays or simply enjoy terabytes of high-speed storage. The included 2 terabytes Samsung 990 Pro is already one of the fastest consumer SSDs available, and the ability to add 2 more drives offers flexibility rarely seen in devices this small. Maintaining consistent performance in a chassis this compact requires serious engineering, and Aoostar addresses that with its Glacier Vice-C cooling system. The company claims stable thermals even under heavy loads and during prolonged GPU boost scenarios. In practice, the Nex395 manages to sustain high clock speeds without abrupt throttling, something that often plagues small form factor PCs. The 140-watt performance mode underscores just how aggressively tuned this mini PC is, turning it into a workstation-class machine that happens to be a fraction of the size. Connectivity is another strong point, with a rich selection of ports that supports a variety of workflows. The 2 USB 4 ports enable fast external storage, docking stations, and even eGPU setups if needed. Dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports make it appealing for network professionals or anyone running virtualized environments. Additional USB-A ports, DisplayPort, HDMI, and a 3.5mm audio jack round out a layout that avoids compromise despite the system's size. The design itself is compact and clean, built with serviceability in mind. Aoostar highlights the ease of disassembly, allowing users to access the SSD slots or perform maintenance without wrestling with glued panels or proprietary hardware. This approach makes the Nex395 more practical over the long term and much more appealing to enthusiasts. However, the device sits at a premium price point, with a single configuration costing about $2,121. It isn't positioned as a casual purchase. In the end, the Aoostar Nex395 stands out as one of the most powerful and forward-thinking mini PCs of its time. It delivers desktop-class GPU performance from an integrated chip, enormous AI-ready memory bandwidth, multiple SSD expansion options, and a port selection suited for professional environments. While the price will limit its audience, the Nex395 succeeds as a showcase of what's possible when a manufacturer pushes a small form factor to its limits without compromise. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.